Alrighty, let me give you a quick tour of the new office and studio. You may notice that I haven't been doing very many webinars lately or videos. It's because I haven't had anywhere to do it. Been moving, relocating, newer space, better location, more acoustically sound, less interruptions, and more time to do what we need to do. So boom, right behind me we got a new monitor, new lighting setup for product reviews. Got some inspirational posters, plant, some product back there. Got a lock caddy, microphone, window for some light, a few articles and certificates and posters and things that we've gotten over the last 10 years or so. And that's that. Welcome to my humble abode. Looking forward to doing more product reviews and bringing you more content and information soon. Thanks for watching. Check out wayneslockshop.com.